Hello everybody, welcome back to Will's Green World. Today we have been asked to cleaning out chicken tips. So we have two coops. We'll just do this one for now. Don't ask about that one. First, we'll take that off. Look, we've got 4 eggs. We've got a bit of chicken poo in the corner. So we'll clean that out. Looks like one of those could be a double yolk. Take these bits out. And then we'll scoop this out with a medium-sized spade maybe. Like one of these we've had for quite a long time now. And you'll scoop it out like that, put it in the bucket, and then you'll put some fresh bedding in there. The bottom does need a bit of a clean, so we'll clean all of this out. Clean that out too, and yeah, better get to work because this takes a long time. Thank you for watching.